Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 8th, 2022. We are going to talk about ADA today. We're going to talk about Cardano and try to provide an update. I want to come through for the community and show you all something that I wanted you all to see that lets me know that we are still on point to see Cardano go down in price, or ADA. So welcome to the channel. To those who are new, go ahead. If you all appreciate my price prediction, my videos that I'm creating, go ahead, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe here to the channel. I want you all to know, outside of what everyone else is trying to get you all to see and understand, saying that you can't predict prices, I'm here doing that for you. I'm actually predicting price movement before the market actually gets to these levels, proving them that they're wrong. So if you guys want to learn more, go ahead and hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe here to my channel to make sure that you learn as much as possible, because you don't actually have to be dependent on nobody else in making money once you know how to read charts. Yeah, once you learn how to read this language, you'll actually be in a very powerful position to come in and take money out whenever you want to. Yeah. So check this out. I did a video in Cardano, or ADA, on April the 30th. So it hasn't even been that long, right? But I want you all to see something, because on this particular day right here was when the buyers tried to stage a comeback. They wanted to try to reflect that they were interested in looking for ADA to go up. I think there's been something regarding, a decentralized exchange on ADA's network. I get it. But if people really bought that information, if they really believe that, the market will not be trending lower the next day. So rather than you all getting all caught up in the emotions, into all the new expectations and protocols and things being created on ADA's network, always look at the price for verification. The price tells you whether or not people believe it. The price tells you whether or not that's actually going to happen. Price in ADA should not have gone down if the decentralized exchange was actually going to happen. It's not happening right now because the market is coming down in price. People are not believing it. And the price is the deciding factor on whether or not people believe what the news is actually trying to say. So every time you come in and look at an article regarding Cardano or any other cryptocurrency, always come back to the price chart to see if people are backing their biases with the money. And right now, it's not the case. It's not the case. So check this out. Let's go ahead and look at the market in ADA on a different time frame then. Okay, so this is ADA right here on a 3-day, 3 weeks price bar. Every price bar you see right now is 3 weeks worth of pricing. Now you guys can already see I'm looking for ADA to go down. All right, I'm looking for it. Now there's going to be opportunities to look for price go up. I get it. We're going to see the price in ADA stair step its way down. Okay, you guys can see that the first area, it's going to be around this area. Okay, that's the first area for us to nibble and take some profitability. I mean, we can actually take some profitability out the market now in ADA if we want to. So let me hit this back over the daily and see how much we'll be up. Okay, so if we were to get out the market now, we'll be up 7%. Ain't nothing wrong with that. If you guys are nervous, if you guys think the buyers are going to step in a lot sooner, then go ahead and take the 7%. There's nothing wrong. You winning. You are winning in the market. Now, that's the next area though, down here around 70 cents. We're almost there now. Go ahead and nibble off some of that play right there too. Okay. And the biggest concern is us seeing the market in ADA completely break this area. This is the concerning part right here. It's because we haven't created a firm area of support. The market in ADA during this time period just completely shot up. It didn't give the market opportunity to create a basis or a foundation that buyers controlled or created. They didn't have opportunity to really do that there, which is why I'm having a massive movement to the downside prepared in ADA. Now, nobody's going to give you that information. They're going to continue to pump out and saying that ADA is going to come out and do a 50x, 100x, and it's going to hit $5, $10, $15, when clearly the market is thinking otherwise. So why would they come in and try to fool you? Oh, because they don't have your interests at heart. They're just out there trying to make the bread for themselves And maybe they got some other ulterior motives. What do you think? That's why I'm here. To give you all the truth. To give you all the real emotions of everyone who's interested in ADA. So, definitely wanted to come through and give you all that information. And again, we're about to conclude on this 3 weekly price chart. So I wanted to come in and give you all this too. That 3 consecutive weeks, like, come on, let's keep it real. 3 consecutive weeks, we're seeing the price in ADA go down. This is what a bearish market looks like. 3 consecutive 3 weekly price bars. So that's 9 weeks. Price in ADA has been trending lower. And we're at the crossroads now. We need to see buyers come in now in ADA. And looking at it on the 3 weeks, it doesn't look like they're not going to show up. No, that's on the 2 weeks, excuse me. This is the 3 weeks right here. Okay. 2 consecutive 3 weekly price bars, 6 weeks. Price in ADA has been going down. And on this one, again, 6 weeks. Price has been trending lower. Weekly time frame still shows me that price is weak. Okay. We got 8 hours and 55 minutes left. There's not a lot of people willing to come in and buy ADA right now. It started out the week pretty good, right? We saw the market in ADA actually start out pretty good. It went higher, but now price is on the low. It's not good. With all that high volume, tells me that there's a little bit more selling coming into the market than there were buyers. So, I mean, what do you all think? Are we still on course to see ADA go down? Or are you looking for the market to go up? For me, I'm still looking for the price to go down. You have to go back and listen to my last video as to where I have my price targets, because I don't want to confuse people on this video versus what I was talking about my last one. But for the most part, I mean, nothing's changed. The price in ADA is still weak. And I wanted to confirm that basically by what happened from May the 4th to May the 5th. That lets me know that the price is still on a downward trend. Nothing has changed yet. Okay. So now, if you think though that the market has changed in ADA, then go ahead and drop the price prediction. Let everyone else see your thoughts then. If you don't see what I see, ain't nothing wrong with that. You could be right and I could be wrong. I get it. But just show it to everybody and we'll see which one is right. All right. So that's it. I'm done. This is one to come in and provide a huge update regarding what I think the market in ADA is still about to do. Now it's your turn. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.